Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of calisthenics, the ultimate way to unleash your full potential. Calisthenics is a form of exercise that uses your own body weight to build strength, flexibility, and endurance. With no need for fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships, anyone can master calisthenics and achieve incredible results. First, let's talk about the basics. Push-ups, squats, lunges, these are the foundation of calisthenics. By performing these compound movements, you engage multiple muscles at once, making every workout efficient and effective. But calisthenics is not only about strength. It's about mastering control over your body. Whether it's through handstands, muscle-ups, or human flag holds, every move challenges your balance and coordination. What makes calisthenics truly remarkable is its versatility. You can do it anywhere, anytime. From the park to your living room, there are endless possibilities for creating your own calisthenics playground. Of course, like any fitness journey, progress takes time and dedication. But with calisthenics, you'll witness incredible transformations. From increased muscle definition to improved mobility, calisthenics will push you to reach your limits and then break them. So, if you're ready to take control of your body and unleash your full potential, join us on this calisthenics journey. Follow along with our tutorials, find inspiration in our workout routines, and let's build the strongest, most agile version of ourselves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting fitness content. Let's get started on the journey to mastering calisthenics together.